Alright, this is a simple digital zoom test. Just basically pull down the trigger and zoom. That's what it looks like. So it's got a maximum 3x zoom. This is recording in 4K, by the way. Zoom back out. So wide angle. And then I will zoom in. There's an orange tree way over there. That is 3x zoom right there. So you can see whether or not the quality is going to be to your liking. So this is operating in 3x zoom right now. Notice that there's a little bit of lens flare going on while it's going into different areas. So this is normal, and this is zoomed in all the way. Normal. Okay, so normal. Let's zoom in on this withering. Let's see if I can zoom in on this withering leaf there. And that's 3x zoom. 3x zoom. Back to 1. This is roughly 2x zoom. 2x zoom. This is 3x zoom. So one more time. Zoom in and out again. Does not make for an interesting video, but again, this is the type of quality that you're going to expect here. So here we go. So this is 1 time. This is now 3x zoom. Back to 1, and this is. I think this is the only zoom speed that you have. So if you're expecting to do this in a smooth on fashion while you're recording, this is basically only zooms at 1 speed. So that's it. So zoom in a little bit slower, zooming out roughly the same, I would say. But that's pretty much what you're looking at here. One more time. I'm actually pretty close to this right now. Let me just zoom in on that 3 times, zoom back out, and this is about roughly how close that I get. Okay, so let's see. So this is going to be my one and final only video because I am actually returning the Removu K1. I don't know when I'll be getting a production unit for the Removu K1. My guess is that a lot of you out there are probably going to get the actual unit before I might actually have time to go ahead and post on a full review. I don't even know if it's really necessary. I'm actually pretty happy with the video quality that comes out of the Removu K1, the compact and portableness. The audio quality that's coming out of the Removu K1 right now is actually pretty good. I like it a lot, and I think it's worth the $429 that you get when you're comparing with everything else. However, for myself, it's not really on high priority right now to get one because I actually have 2 DJI Osmos and at least 6 to 8 different cameras, and just adding one more is probably not on my high priority list, especially since I'm thinking about selling some of my other ones in order to get some of these newer ones that are coming out. And the DJI Osmo, I'm already so embedded in the ecosystem. I got all these accessories and stuff for it. So yeah, so I'm sorry, unless I can get another Removu K1 for an extended review, this will probably be my last video until maybe you hear from me with maybe some, I don't know if you have any other questions down below, you can let me know. I'll see if I can pull up a little bit something from my footage that I've used the K1 for the past month or so, to see if I can pull out some clear, crisp examples for you to take a look at. But as you can see, just yesterday, Removu actually posted a bunch of how-to videos. So they already got all that covered down in terms of what it is that you need to do to set it up to do the things that you want it to do. Alright, so that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm roughly about 240, 250 subscribers short of that 1,000 mark that I need for February 20th, which is just in a couple of days. I know that I'm probably not going to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark before then, but you know, once I hit it, then you know I'll be a YouTube partner again. So please, thank you very much for the support that you guys have given me so far, and all you subscribers. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.